Now, the last part of MS Word shortcut keys tutorial. This is part 8. So we know that by clicking on F1, help dialog box will be opened. By clicking on F5, find, replace, go to dialog box will be opened. Okay. Find, replace, go to dialog. F7 for spelling and grammar. Right. F10 moves to menu mode. Or Alt and F10 both are same. F12 will be useful for save as. Save as dialog box will be open. Okay. F1 to F12, not all the functional keys are not that much useful in Word, but F1, F5, F7, F10 and F12 are very useful. Then Shift F1. It reveals the formatting. Whatever formatting options applied, you can see them by using the shortcut Shift F1. You can see reveal format. Shift F3, uppercase, lowercase, and capitalized cases. Once we select this, we can easily see them. Shift F3. You can see different case changes from upper, lower to capitalized by using Shift F3 as shortcut key. Next, moving on to the next shortcut, Shift F5. We already discussed this. Find, replace, and go to. Shift F7. You can search for synonyms, antonyms, and all this by using the shortcut Shift F7. Shift F7. SRS will be opened. Shift F12, Alt F2, Alt 2, Control S, all these are same. The changes will be saved permanently. Now, when I think about minimizing the window, now Windows, down arrow. Restore position, another down arrow, minimize. Windows up arrow, select this part, right? Windows up arrow, it makes the window maximized. Windows up arrow for maximization. Windows down arrow for minimization. These are the different shortcuts associated with the MS Word.